This is it, guys. This is the beauty battle. This is the one to end all beauty battles. This is going to be the most luxurious beauty battle I have ever done, because this is the battle between Dior versus Chanel. Two brand new foundations from two beauty titans. First up, our challenger. This $100 foundation is designed to illuminate, hydrate, and protect your skin while offering beautiful light to medium coverage. Released in January of 2022 and available in 20 buildable shades, this is the #1 Chanel Revitalizing Foundation. The reformulated version of my Ride or Die foundation promises transfer-proof 24-hour wear, light to medium coverage, and intense skin hydration. Priced at 65 Canadian dollars with a whopping 42 colors in the shade range, this is the brand new for 2022 Dior Forever Skin Glow. And who's gonna win? We're gonna find out together. You know what time it is? It is time to battle it out. Let's get into it. All right, so I just gave this one a good shake. This is the brand new Chanel Hydrating Illuminating formula. This is their brand new launch for spring, summer. I'm just gonna pump 2 pumps on my palette. This one right here, this is the brand new drop from Dior. This is the Forever Skin Glow. I love this. You guys know how much I love the original formula for this. This has been my ride or die for forever, but this is their brand new formula. So I'm gonna go in, give this a good shake, and pump 2 palettes on my palette. Okay, so right there, we do know from me testing out the Chanel, it does oxidize down, and this one doesn't. This one is its true color, so this one is quite lighter than this one. I am going to start by using the Chanel just to give it some time to oxidize down. I am going to go in with this round buffer brush right here from Juvia's Place. I'm just going to pick up some of that product, tap that out on my brush, and we're going to go in, and I'm just going to start from the middle of my face on both sides and work from the inside out. So I'm just going to start buffing that on. I'm excited to see these comparison, like side by side, because this foundation, the Chanel, it's stunning. Actually, they both have a really stunning foundation finish, and I'm excited for this because you guys know for forever I have been raving about the Dior. It is my ride or die. I tell everyone this. If I was on a desert island, the Dior's the one I would take with me. That's my favorite of all time foundation. I love that one. Now, that is the original that I am talking about. This one is a new one, but I do love it. I just don't love it the same as I loved the old one. But this one is the Chanel that I'm applying right now, and this is so gorgeous. The finish is unbelievable. It's stunning. It's honestly giving the Dior a run for its money. Is this actually going to be my new favorite foundation? Because I kind of feel like it might be. We're gonna test it out. So this again is a sheer to medium coverage, very buildable. Isn't that beautiful? That is stunning. For the Dior side, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna use a very similar tipped brush. This is from IT Cosmetics, and this is their number 702 Skin Perfecting Brush. I'm just gonna dip this one into the Dior. I'm going to again start right in the center of my face and work my way out. So the finish on both is super glowy and hydrating, and it feels hydrating. There's basically no scent on this one versus the Chanel, but even applying the Chanel right now on this side, I could barely smell it at all. Like, it's so minimal, but it's there. It's just tiny. All right, that's the 2 products on my skin with no concealer. I'm just gonna add a little bit of concealer, and today I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. All right, so I am gonna go in, I'm going to apply on the Chanel side first, just a little bit of this concealer. Down the center of my nose, triangle, a little bit right here, a little bit right there. Again, under my eye on this side. I'm going to apply just a little bit right here, and a little bit right here, and the center of my chin. All right, so this is the Chanel Cream Bronzer. I'm gonna use this on both sides of my face today just because I used it in the last video and I really love this one for spring summer. So I am gonna go in with this IT Cosmetics sponge to pick up that bronzer. I'm just gonna pick up some of that on the brush, and I'm just going to start applying that to my forehead, bring that right down to the high points of my jaw, and again on the other side. So while applying this on both sides, I feel like it blends in a little bit easier on this side right here, which is the Dior. And this side, I mean, it blends in fine, but it just doesn't catch as much. This side is a little bit more dewy. I'm going to put this on both sides of my nose. And just a little bit right here on my jaw. Move that earring. And just add a little bit right there. Now I'm going to go in with that same brush I was using to apply that foundation. I'm just going to blend that out and blend out the concealer on the Chanel side. Okay, so far this is looking really, really good. I'm just going to take this same brush and just lightly under my eye blend out that concealer. Okay, I like this so far. This is really, really pretty. It's not pulling, it's not catching. It's looking amazing. I'm gonna go ahead, do the other side, same thing, just blending out that concealer and blending it into the bronzer. What is your favorite cream bronzer right now? Let me know in the comments, because I am looking for like the best kind of cream bronzers for spring. So again, I'm just going to blend out the concealer under my eye. It's not pulling on the foundation. Both sides are looking flawless. Like, this is going to be a tough, tough choice. Just gonna blend out the rest of that concealer. Okay, we've done it. So this is how it's looking. Let me know in the comments down below which side you guys love. Do you love this side, the Chanel side, or the Dior? This is tough. This is gonna be a tough, tough beauty battle because both sides look stunning. They both look hydrated. They both look dewy. They both look sun-kissed and goddess-like and gorgeous. I honestly am having such a tough time deciding. I'm looking in the mirror and I'm like, both sides, the color is there. The color is there, but it is slightly different, but they both work for me. Honestly, let's talk about affordability. Let's talk about price value. So the Chanel is $94 and the Dior is $60. Both have 1 fluid ounce in them, so you're getting the same amount of product. Even though one looks so much bigger than the other, you are getting the same amount of product in both bottles. So right there, price comparison, you are getting a better value with the Dior, which is this side right here. But when it comes to coverage, let's talk about coverage and texture. So if you guys zoom right in, honestly, again, I have no primer on my face, just a little bit of the IT Cosmetics moisturizer. And honestly, let's talk pores and texture. I kind of like this one more, and this is the Chanel side. This one does have more coverage though, but this one doesn't emphasize this little itty bitty problem area that I have right here. But again, I have absolutely no primer on. But I like this. I like the way it sits here, but this side, I love the way it sits on my skin as well. Again, they're almost identical. So the only difference here is I feel like the Dior might have a slight bit more coverage, but again, I only went in with 1 coat and both are very buildable. So for that, honestly, I'm gonna have to say that they're about the same. And the only difference is the price at this point. Absolutely. Like, this one right here from Dior is $60. This one right here from Chanel is $94. So the difference is the price. I love both of them. This one, definitely luxury. Luxury, luxury, luxury. And Honestly, like this would be more special occasion, evening, you know, if you're gonna do something a little bit more, go this one, go extra, of course, do that. But this one is absolutely stunning. They're honestly, I'm gonna say, a fair dupe for each other. Hands down, they're both stunning. All right, if you're curious about the colors that I used in today's video, I'm gonna have everything linked in the description for you, so definitely check out that. And if you guys love videos like this, definitely hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video. Okay, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.